The brutal truth about making chicken rice in a rice cooker? It's not only delicious but super easy. Let's explore this delightful recipe together. Imagine a rainy day, the warmth of chicken rice wrapping you like a cozy blanket. This dish, made in a rice cooker, is a busy professional's dream. One-pot meals are a lifesaver. Toss ingredients in one pot and boom, dinner is ready. Minimal cleanup means more time to relax. Picture this: a delicious dinner with only one pot to wash. No mountain of dishes. It's like a small victory at the end of a long day. Time is precious. One-pot meals save you minutes, letting you unwind or spend time with loved ones. Who knew saving time could taste this good? Cooking ingredients together in one pot creates amazing flavors. Spices and flavors mingle, making your chicken rice savory and mouth-watering. Perfectly cooked rice every time. No more sticky or watery disasters. Just set everything to simmer and relax. It's that simple. In our busy world, one-pot meals make life easier. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a newbie, these meals fit effortlessly into your lifestyle. Gather these essential ingredients: jasmine rice, chicken thighs, chicken broth, garlic, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Each ingredient adds its own magic. Quality ingredients make a difference. Fresh chicken and quality rice elevate your dish from ordinary to extraordinary. Trust me on this one. Feel free to tweak the ingredients. No jasmine rice? Try basmati. Prefer lean meat? Use chicken breasts. Personalize it to your taste. Let's start cooking. Rinse the jasmine rice until the water runs clear. This step removes excess starch and prevents stickiness. Layer minced garlic and juicy chicken in the rice cooker. Add rinsed rice, broth, and your favorite seasonings. Set the rice cooker and walk away. After the timer goes off, fluff the rice. Gently stir with a fork to separate the grains. You'll be amazed at how light and fluffy it is. Serve in bowls with optional garnishes like green onions or cilantro. These add a burst of color and flavor. Enjoy your meal with style. Pair chicken rice with a side of vegetables or a fresh salad. The crunch of a salad complements the tender rice perfectly. Add some excitement to your chicken rice. Incorporate vegetables, try different types of rice, add spices, or experiment with different broths. Cooking is about personalizing your meal. Think of your favorite flavors and try to incorporate them. The kitchen is your playground.